Hello guys, today we are playing Minecraft Xbox 360 version, and today we are going to play
Make a nether?
Yes, make a nether and kill a ghost and kill a zombie pigman today. We are going to do this, okay?
Okay, this is going to take more than 15 minutes.
You see the Minecraft first version, survival one, how to make ender portal, it was amazing, right? Hey bro, it was good you made that one. I like that one video, and just is 3 days ago video. We want to make
just get in the
obsidian and what we want? Flint and steel.
Oh yeah, brother.
Flint and steel.
Flint and steel is here. Come on, just take it.
Flint and steel. So
it's currently between night and day. Okay, it's going off as a nice nether. I don't think you're making it all good.
Yeah, I think I'm not making. No, it's not right. Yep, no, you were saying right. It's not good. It's good enough. Yes, and especially flint and steel. Now we got a ghost. And
oh my god, I'm not a good cameraman.
now we are going to kill a zombie pigman and a ghost.
Okay, now I have to become a pro cameraman if we want to catch up the goods.
Where's the ghost? Want to see the ghost? Where's the ghost?
Is it on hard mode?
No, it's easy mode. Easy mode.
Just kill the ghost.
No, it's just what is this? Volume. It's too scary. How this ghost will die? One arrow, second arrow, third arrow, fourth arrow, fifth arrow. It's dead. Nice.
You gotta level up. Do you got a ghost here?
What is this called? Gunpowder. It's
A
called
gunpowder? Come on.
And now, what is that? Bliss? Please, what is this? What is this thing?
Guys, I'm just reminding you about the old nether. This is not the 1.1415 nether. This is the 1.5 nether. This is the nether which was released 12 years.
It's so scary. And where's the zombie pigman?
I have no idea. I think you should end the video now. Now people know how to make an ender portal, nether portal.
Zombie pigman just kill this.
This is the old zombie pigman if you want to remind yourself of nostalgia.
Yes. Bye bye guys.
Bye.